What are you making?
I'm having coffee.
Making some coffee?
No, I'm having hot cocoa.
Oh, hot cocoa instead.
I want cocoa and coffee.
It's your master.
Ah! He's so silly, huh? Who's sillier than Baxter? Is Amelia sillier than Baxter, or is Daddy sillier?
Master.
Baxter's the silliest.
Yeah. Hey, I love you. Wait. Here you go. Now.
Oh.
More. More drink. More tea.
No, I don't. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
More.
Tell him, say, don't be a piggy.
Yeah.
Hey, little pig, little pig.